Welcome back to Moto Explorer. Today, we're tackling the trails with the Suzuki Ozark 250, a versatile ATV designed for work and play. Whether you're looking for a reliable companion for outdoor adventures or a capable machine for tough jobs, the Ozark 250 is built to handle it all. Let's check it out. Powering the Ozark 250 is a 250cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance. With plenty of low-end torque and a responsive throttle, this ATV makes navigating tough terrain and hauling loads an easy task. The Ozark 250 is equipped with a lightweight yet durable frame, making it highly maneuverable on challenging trails and tight spaces. Its independent front suspension and swing-arm rear suspension ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. This ATV offers practical features like a 5-speed manual transmission with a reverse gear, allowing you to handle various tasks with ease. It also includes front and rear racks for cargo, making it perfect for both utility work and recreational outings. In terms of design, the Ozark 250 combines functionality with rugged styling. Its compact build, sturdy tires, and ergonomic controls make it a reliable and user-friendly machine that's ready for any challenge. The Suzuki Ozark 250 is an excellent choice for riders who want a durable, versatile, and easy-to-handle ATV. Thanks for watching Moto Explorer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what do you think of the Ozark 250, and which ride should we feature next? Ride safe, and see you in the next one.